again, we have a square root, and this one is a square with a plus, so x has to be not tangent of theta, but 2. Good. Okay, so let's replace everything in terms of theta. So the dx becomes, I'll put the dx on top, 2 secant squared theta d theta. X squared is 4 tangent squared theta, 4 tangent squared theta plus 4. Right, so we gotta simplify this as much as we can. So there's a 2 there. There's a 4 here, and see these two 4 can come out as a 2, right? Okay. And in the square root, then when you factor the 4 out, you get square root of tangent squared theta plus 1, but that's equal to, right? This part here is equal to secant squared theta. So we get 1 over 4 because these two 2's gets reduced. And that's secant theta. That gets reduced too. Right, so let's continue up here. So we have an integral with secant and tangent, but unlike the ones that we discussed, the basic ones we discussed in the tangent integral, right? These are divided instead of multiplied together. So actually the better choice in this case is to change the sine over cosine, because then one of the cosines will actually cancel out, right? Like that will cancel out. And what we have on the numerator then is just single cosine. This is, we can solve this by doing another substitution of the sine theta. Okay, so when you do the substitution, make sure you use a different letter. So sine of theta, let's pick u. Right, let's pick a different letter from x from initially. Then we get cosine of theta d theta is equal to du. So we get du on top, and sine squared theta is u squared. So minus 1 over u. Okay, plus some constant, of course. And it's minus 1 over 4u. Now we need to change the u back to x. So first of all, back to u, it's going to be 4 sine of theta. And then sine of theta needs to be changed back into x. Now we got to go back to here. Right. So tangent of theta is equal to x over 2, which generates a triangle that looks like this. Where this is going to be 4 plus x squared. So look. Sine of theta is this over that, right? X over square root of. So I'm just going to do the opposite because it's essentially minus 1 over 4 cosecant. So it's 4 plus x squared all over x plus constant.